Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, really quick, because I have been forgetting to say this at the end of the video, the lips. It is the Maybelline Ultimate, I don't even know what this is called, matte lipstick in the shade More Honey. It's the one that's, the packaging is like this. They like name their products 10 different names or 10 different things in it, and I feel like this is maybe called something else, but this is what it is, you guys. Here is that shade. It's really, really, really beautiful. And I did put on a gloss, and this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Gloss, and this is the shade, sorry, I'm getting hiccups like crazy. The shade Leo. It's just a really, really pretty gold glitter. Absolutely gorgeous, and I just felt like it would just go perfectly with this lip. So I've been forgetting to tell you guys at the end of the videos. I'm so sorry, and then sometimes I don't remember by the time we get there. But the star of the show is the Cosmic Brushes Nudetrals palette. If I can get this puppy out of this packaging, these are like on super hard. I did the Cool Tools palette yesterday, which is actually going up today in a couple hours, and this one will probably go up next week. Again, pardon the sweat. It's just unusually hot in my house right now. It's not even that hot outside, but here's the inside of this beautiful, beautiful palette. I just absolutely love this. I'm thinking one I will go in with maybe like a orangish shimmer. This one looks like it might turn green though, I think, so I'll probably use that. Maybe, let me just, yeah, like things are like this. Does not look green in real life, but it's green on screen. So I feel like that's gonna be a flippy shade. And maybe do like one eye with like the purple one. Let's just see what happens. I'm probably gonna have to stop and take a break because I kept having to move my camera. I took her off the stand, and we actually, in my video that's going up today, sorry you guys, it's so hot. I was like, we probably won't go watch fireworks, but we ended up doing that last night. So I used my camera because I took pictures because I love photography. And so everything is just off and weird, like, because the settings I use for filming are completely different for what I use for photography. And then when I'm trying to get it set back up, like everything just gets moved and is different. So I apologize if things are off. I try to use the same settings, but as far as placement of the tripod and everything, I just suck at that. My husband usually does it, but he's upstairs taking a nap because we were out late and he was up later than usual, and we're getting old. So that's where we're at with that. Yeah, so just give me a second. I'm just trying to get my ducks in a row. Let's get started. I'm just gonna take this brush right here. I don't know why I showed you my brush. I never do. But anyway, I did buy some Jessup brushes. I got them off of Amazon and I'm actually really impressed with them. All right, I want to start with, let's just start with the shade Delicate right here because it's pretty, it's deep, it's dark and beautiful. And yeah, we'll just start with a darker shade today and then blend it out with a lighter shade. Oh boy, I feel like I'm just like, I mean, I am so sweaty. That's why I feel like it. But, yeah, you guys, how are y'all doing? Did you go watch fireworks last night? It's so funny. On the way home, like, our neighbors were literally like, we had to like wait to turn down our street because they were like having a little fireworks show right in the middle of the street. And I'm like, they do it every year, but yeah, it was kind of funny because my husband's like, what? And I'm like, yeah, that's how they do it. And I mean, they were blowing up the neighborhood. I'd say it maybe stopped around midnight, but I think that's because we started getting some pretty crazy storms, because usually it goes well into the wee hours of the morning, which usually sucks because they always do it on, for me, what ends up being a work night, and I don't get sleep, so gotta love it. Let's go with the shade Neutral right here, because it's the namesake of the palette, so have to go in with that shade. And let's just kind of blend it into that other shade, kind of blend it out a little bit, you know, all the all the things. I totally overshot my eye like crazy over here, so let's just ignore that as they pointed out to you. Yeah, you guys, I love Cosmic brushes. Their formula is phenomenal. Their palettes are extremely affordable. Yes, the shipping to the US it was only $16 though for both palettes, which isn't horrible. So, and then if you use a discount code, like honestly for both these palettes, and the shipping, it was about the price of what, you know, you'd normally pay for just one indie palette. So I really can't complain. Just trying to see like what, I want to keep it kind of simple because I'm, you know, if I get out again today, like my face is just going to melt off because it's, you know, hot. So I'm just going to go in with glitter glue. We're going to go in with a shimmer shade because, just because we need to, you know, I'm that shimmer girl. I love shimmers so much. So I think, let's just look at this. I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which doesn't look green to me, but it is when I hold it up, and it's the shade Luxe. I think this is a multi-chrome, and I feel like it's going to look really, really, really pretty. So let's go in with that. Okay, yeah, that is awesome. That is so, so pretty. And speaking of fireworks, we actually ended up going to like one fireworks show first. But it was like way too, we live in a very overpopulated area, so like you pretty much, if you want to do anything, you have to get there like 4 or 5 hours early just to even like have a spot to park, which I hate doing because, hi, I'm a woman, I pee a lot. So when you get out, there's nowhere to go to the bathroom, like I can't do the porta potties. I'm a germaphobe and they just gross me out to no end. So yeah, it doesn't work for me. So we tried to go, we left a couple hours early. I want to go back in the shade Neutrals and just kind of blend out a little more. But yeah, like when we got there, like there was nowhere to go. People will just straight up like run out in front of your car. It was really stressful. So we were like, yeah, I'm like, yeah, cause I found this other show that was like in a smaller town. And I'm like, you know, let's just try and go to that one. Cause like, we can't park anywhere here. So like, what are we going to do? We can't watch fireworks anyway. So we ended up going to a smaller town and, huge lot to park, like plenty of parking. People weren't as ridiculous until it got time to leave, and then it was a little crazy, but we got to watch the fireworks show. The only bad thing was there were trees and they didn't get them up high enough, so like a lot of them we couldn't see, but it was still nice to just get out and do something and like spend some time with my husband, which we never get to do. So it was still nice. All right, I want to go into the shade Classy now for that lower lash line. But yeah, that's the thing that sucks. Like when you live in like such an overpopulated area, you can't do anything. I mean, it is just absolutely insane when they have events because there's just too many people and not enough land to host the events. And it just turns into a complete and total disaster. So that's one of the many bad things about where we live. All right, I'm gonna go in this shade Glamorous for that lower inner corner highlight. You guys, these shades are just awesome. So, so pretty. I think this is gonna be my new like Monday through Friday office palette. It's so good. That is just absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now for the other eye. we're just gonna stick with that same theme. This is totally not the first brush I used, but I literally don't know what happened to it in my little brush bin over here. Is this it? Yes, this was it. Okay. And we're going to start with this really pretty purple shade Lust right here. That is just absolutely gorgeous. It's giving me all the fall vibes as I'm sitting here sweating my booty off because it is so hot. But yes, 1000%. This is like the most beautiful purple shade. I'm feeling it. Feeling it. It's really, really, really pretty. Now let's just take a lighter shade, blend it out. And I think I'm going to go in with the shade Rumor. This is really, really pretty as well. I wish there was such thing as like a silent air conditioner. Like a portable one that I could just sit like right here. And that would somehow not blow the background, not make too much noise. That'd be amazing. But unfortunately, I don't think that exists. And if it does, I wouldn't be able to afford it anyway. But a girl can dream, right? All right. This is just so, so pretty. Now, for a little bit of that glitter glue, did you guys just hear that? Those are fireworks going off. Yes, we shoot them off before it's dark here. Because why not, you know? Okay. Dang. Okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna go into this one because it looks more purple. It's the shade Tinder. So let's just put that down and see how that goes. Oh wow, that is super, super dark. Way darker than I thought that was going to be. It's, did you hear that? That's more fireworks. It is absolutely beautiful. I just was not expecting it to be that dark. It's beautiful though. I might want to lighten it up just a little bit. So let's, don't know what that one though. I feel like, no. Okay, we're gonna put this over it a little bit, and I hope it doesn't take away from the purple. This is shade Satin, but I hope it'll just lighten it up just a smidge. So let's see. Okay. It's working a little bit. It's doing its thing. It's very pretty. Again, there's nothing wrong with the first shade. I just didn't want it that dark. All right. It's so pretty though, you guys. Just so beautiful. I want to go in like I did on the other eye and just define that one shade just a little bit more. Just a little bit. The shade Rumor. I just kind of want to blend that out just a little bit more in with that shimmer. All right, now for the lower lash line. Let's go in with, I don't want anything too, yeah, let's go to the shade Classy. right here. Man, I am just sweating so bad. Like, do you see all this? That is like straight up sweat. Whew. All right, now for the lower inner corner highlight. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? Let's use the shade Satin. Man, it is just brutal in here, the heat. All right, you guys. So I got a little bit of fallout to clean up. I overshot my eyes a little bit, so I'm gonna fix that up, do the mascara, go upstairs, do the bangs, which unfortunately, I don't know if they're gonna get cut today. My niece who does my hair said she woke up feeling sick yesterday, so I don't know what to do. I told my husband he might have to cut them for me because they're getting too long to where they're poking me in the eyes, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. So anyway, yeah, that's it for now. I will be back with everything fixed up, hopefully looking a little better. I mean, everything looks good. I love the eyes. I just need to clean up a little bit where I kind of messed up, got a little bit of fallout, and do all the things, cool off for a second, and I'll be back. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna back. What? Man. The brain. You guys, this is what happens when I get a couple of days off work. I feel freaking amazing, but I glitch out because I'm not constantly like go crazy stressed out. I guess I do better under like debilitating stress, which is really, really sad, but that's just how my life has been. But anyway, I'm gonna go in with the California Fresh highlight by Glamlight with the shade Super Fresh, which is this really pretty like greenish gold right here. This is my go-to now. I just love this so much. It is so beautiful. And I just think it'd go perfectly with this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that. And then we'll do a little extra touch of setting spray, do that final look, and I will be on my way for the day. All right, again, Rick and Morty. I seriously love this so much. It just smells amazing. It's so refreshing. Just gives me that little boost of life that I need when it's hot and gross. And oh, it feels so good. All right, you guys. So here are the final looks. And yeah, I don't know. I love Cosmic brushes. I love this look. It's perfect. It's fun, but it's not like too crazy. So if you're someone who doesn't like a lot of color in your looks, this palette is perfect for you. And it's the Cosmic Brushes Nudetrals palette. Here's another look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful palette. Matte's phenomenal. Shimmers amazing. I don't know. I just hope y'all can get a good look at that. It's just beautiful. So there I go, knocking stuff over again. All right, you guys, a couple things. Seriously, thank you so much for all the love and support that you showed me in my channel. It means the world to me. I'm so close to that next big number. I have a little goal. I hope I can get there within like the next month and a half. Yeah, I never thought in a million years like I would start a YouTube channel and people would actually care what I thought or watch it. So thank you all so much. I hope you know how much your love and support means to me. Please remember that you are beautiful, you are amazing, you are loved. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.